Mr. Price Group Limited, a leading omni-channel fashion value retailer in South Africa, is growing fast. Every day, young and modern people choose the unique brand of Mr. Price apparel, homeware and sportswear through owned and franchised stores, as well as online channels in Africa and Australia. Driven by passion, guided by value, built on partnership. Those are the drivers of the Mr. Price Group. The group started a diligent journey to make this important strategic decision on how to support the ambitious expansion plans, offer the best service to their customers, and cater for the challenges and opportunities of retail. A scalable and holistic solution based on open platforms was required.
It's a big change, it's a big consolidation project of previous two facilities into one facility, so you want to go into that with a partner that's done that in other places. Linked to that is obviously the equipment that we use in the facility. There we chose particularly where the best of breed equipment suits the best of breed process.
In April 2017, this masterpiece of distribution and sortation started its operations.
The facility is built to enable Mr. Price's growth. Mr. Price has a growth strategy, we know where we're going, and in that we know that logistics can be an enabler, and that's what we've done here. We've put the infrastructure, we've put the foundations in place that we can take Mr. Price forward and continue the growth curve that it's had in the last 28 years.
Many technologies were tested in former plants. The idea was to try future models and learn how to best optimize these innovations all together. At the end, it was clear they had to bring all the best solutions under a new roof. Fortna, the partner for the entire project, perfectly knew how to do it. If you want to be successful, you have to embrace change. With a completely new design planned of more than 60,000 square meters, this highly automated and amazingly space-efficient hub works to host more than 24,000 pallet places, moves more than 250 cartons per minute, and reaches a sortation capacity of well over 16,000 per hour, which equals to about 60,000 inducts. And further expansion is possible due to the smart use of mezzanines and the scalable solutions overall. Everything runs like a clockwork in a unique pace.
One of the major offerings for Fortna is that we offer our clients an open book around being able to design with best of breed. So it's very important for us to choose reliable partners of high quality with also local presence. That complete circle was an important thing for not only us, but to offer to Mr. Price. So we made sure we had high quality products, we had high support level going forward, and the fact that Interroll has a full-time office based in South Africa was an extremely important point for us.
With their global expertise, Fortna selected the best partners and created this brand new DC hub in Durban. Everything had to be managed under one roof, only the best would be good enough. The team of experts of Mr. Price and Fortna visited many references and made sure only first-tier suppliers were selected. Interroll has been doing business with Fortna successfully around the world and has been in South Africa already for 20 years. The high-speed highway of material handling was enabled by Interroll, the only global provider of key products for the internal logistics process. Interroll provided all conveyors for critical transportation and high-performance conveying, using the highly flexible and truly modular conveyor platform. Hundreds of meters of conveyors connect innovative applications like the high-speed print and apply solution within the handling of incoming goods, as well as transport the boxes accurately through this particular sorter mechanism for optimized throughput. The smooth sortation processes benefit from the zero pressure accumulation that is controlled by the state-of-the-art Interroll multi-control, enabling several sensors and roller drive for highest throughput. This choreography of logistics is the benchmark for the whole industry. It shows the move into automation, and it is big on a global level. Today, Mr. Price is ready for the long-term evolution of the entire retail sector.
The capacity and the volume of this facility is impressive not only in South Africa but anywhere in the world.
This is BIC, best in class.